Hi everybody, so I am now getting ready to go out for a little wander through the village and you're coming with me. So I'm now going to get my shoes on, get my sunglasses on and we'll head out. So this is the little estate, there's a show home there. Just having a little wander really, get out, get some fresh air. It's a beautiful sunny day and we're just going to head to the woods for a little breezy wander. So I'll check in when I get to the woods. So I am now at the woods and it is beautiful, shady and breezy through here. So we're just going to have a little wander through. I hope you can hear all the birds and all the wildlife tweeting around me. It's such a lovely area and I'm really proud to sort of share this with you guys. So I'm going to spin the camera around and you can enjoy the views that I'm taking in. There's little things that have been hidden in our woods for the children to sort of find and move. So if I see things, I'll make sure I show you. It's such a beautiful little woods. Got the farmer's field, all the beautiful crops growing. Can you hear the birds tweeting? So we're just walking still through the woods. Haven't come across anything yet until just now. So someone's drawn a really cute little doggy and it's coloured in him there. It's pretty cool. There was loads of beautiful things down the woods recently. Different coloured rocks and posters up for the NHS, but unfortunately they've all seemed to have gone, which is a bit annoying. So I've just found this one. It's beautiful. It says, "Be kind, be happy, stay safe." What a lovely idea. Just stopped to take a really nice look at all the fields around us. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's so hot out here and quiet. It's the best place to be when you need to take a break, clear your head, have a wander. It makes you feel so lovely. So we're nearly at the end of the woods and then it goes back round into the village, through the park and then back home. Okay, so we now come up to the entrance of the park. We have to go through a tiny little wood extra bit to get into the park. So we are now at the park. You can see beautiful trees still into the entrance. Some more woodland area walks through there. Takes you around the side of the park. Here's the main park. I've never seen this park so quiet on a beautiful day like this. It's so lovely to just have a little wander in the sunshine. So we're now leaving the park and we're now going to go through an alleyway and then we're going to go back up onto the main stretch of the village, all the way back up to the top and back home. Hope you've enjoyed. We're now walking up back through the village. There's the church. We're just going to have a wander back up the main hill back home. It's very, very quiet through here. There's normally lots more cars than this. It's normally a very, very busy village. I've made it to my front door. I am very, very warm, so I'm going to make sure I have a big glass of water, and then I'm going to get back and do my work. Rootsy's there, you can see him chilling. Hello, Papa. Are you cold? Are you hot? Hello. So yeah, I'm going to let the dog out and I'm going to go crack on with my work, and I'll hopefully see you all soon. Stay safe, guys.